So Qatar for some, Qatar, beautiful. The highlight was, their members were all dressed up in their attire. The music was nice. They got their books on display. They had got jewelry, and they'd got this central figure, uh, AI innovation, and an amazing display which had technology, and they had these letterings, and they had a message, and they'd got some nice high tech level of you know graphic designing work on display and stuff. So you could walk around it. It was in a glass display. So over the years, if you've been to Dubai, or if you've been to the high tech stores of technology or phones and gadgets in India, some of them have got these amazing works here. Car displays are done like that. So that was like, it stole my attention, man. It was amazing, and they were offering Qatar coffee and chai. They were playing some nice music. The women were really friendly and stuff. One of the sections had a gentleman who was translating your name and writing it in their local language and stuff and all that. And they were very warm and nice people. You were sitting there listening to their music. They had the guitar and everything. So culture exchange was happening besides the books and all that. The next stall adjacent to that was the French Pavilion. It was so different. Innovation, what they done is they got from a design and architecture point of view, really happening. What they done was they basically innovated it, and they made it from wood, circular wood, bamboo wood look, painted in white, I think. Only a wood thingy. So circular. I don't think it was bamboo, but if you see round bamboo, so wood, yeah, like how do I explain it, yaar? मतलब wooden डंडे हिंदी में. So they basically got those wooden logs kind of things, really sleek ones, and they painted them white and horizontal and vertical, and they basically made a nice pavilion out of it. All their racks and everything, it also got these books in it and everything, and they got people sitting in it. There were a lot of other yeah, Ukraine, Austria, Ukraine. They had an open forum of discussions on uh, various books and stuff. We had the Indian brands as well, but these two were the best, right? And I walked so much, and there's so much to explore. You come out, and they have beautiful fountains, and the Army Day celebrations are happening. Live music was happening. On the other side, we had the largest celebration of the historic National Startup Day. Mr. Modi had come in, and ministers had come in, and the movers and shakers of the world had come in and stuff. There'll be a different video on that. I had to leave a little early because I had a little, issue on my health and stuff. And the weather was also really good. So this was nice, So people who are looking to kind of um, interact with international people, please go to the book fair, because there is no entry pass required. You can go in at whatever time you want, and there is no strict rule